Hey guys, good morning. I'm finally going for my first trek and let's see how it goes. I'm excited and nervous. I haven't slept all night out of anxiety and excitement. So let's see how it goes. Yay! So finally we started our journey at 6:20 a.m. in a bus with a lot of fellow trekkers to reach to the base village Ambivadi and then Peth village. The journey was so serene, beautiful and relaxing. It was a much needed break. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Finally we've reached and it took like 2-3 hours. It's such a pretty place. We're gonna hike up and I'm gonna let you know how the whole trek goes. And be with me. Okay, bye. So we started our trek from Ambivadi village, which was the first base, to Kothaligarh fort, which would be approx 6.5 to 7 kilometers one way. Guys, I've just started trekking and already panting so badly. But it's fun. It's very pretty. It's uphill. And there are a lot of people, a lot of groups that have come in. There are kids, there are adults. It's like an easy one, easy to moderate, so it doesn't really, it's not that taxing. But this is my first trek ever, so let's see how does it go. I'm having fun because people are nice, the leaders are good. But let's see. Met these two cute companions along the way. If you ever notice, dogs are always there to guide you when you're climbing or trekking. So dead. No, yeah, not like dead, but trekking. I think every other workout is different from each other. Running, walking, hiking, dance. Though everything builds your stamina. Yoga, weight training, Zumba. Everything will build your stamina but in a different way. I'm enjoying it because the view is so good. Yeah, you see that thumb-like structure? Yeah, that's where we are gonna head. I just couldn't have enough of it. But अभी मंजिल बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, so let's move. Finally reaching to the top. Oh wait, it's not even top. Guys, we have to still go there. I've become tomato, I think. I was nothing but ecstatic looking at this view. This was from the first level top and it felt like it was worth every step that we have taken to reach here. Now let's head up to the aim. ये फोर्ट को एज अ वॉच टावर यूज किया जाता था क्योंकि आप ऊपर से चारों तरफ नजर रख सकते हैं। ऊपर पहुंचने के लिए आपको एक केव से होकर जाना पड़ता है जिसकी सीढ़ियाँ बहुत ही स्टीप और स्कैरी थी और क्योंकि बारिश की वजह से ये स्लिपरी हो जाता है तो आपको काफ़ी ध्यान से चढ़ना पड़ता है क्योंकि अगर एक स्टेप भी इधर उधर हुआ तो आप वापस गिरकर नीचे बेस स्टेयर पर गिर जाते हैं और ये काफ़ी रिस्की इसलिए है क्योंकि हर रॉक का एजेस बहुत शार्प है तो लगने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं इसीलिए विथ ईच स्टेप बी वेरी केयरफुल. You guys, finally we are here. Hey you guys, what is up? Finally we've reached on the top of the whole fort. It took
Yes.
2 hours. Dang, it took 2 hours to reach here, and it's been a crazy journey. And like I said, journey is equally important than destination. And look at the destination. You can't see a thing.
After being for 1.5 hours amidst the clouds and rains, we started to descend. जिसमें भी हमें almost 2 hours लगे. I think one of the most important things that you have to remember while coming down is आप अपने body weight को थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ lean करें so that you don't fall ahead because it lowers the center of gravity. Finally finishing it with the most beautiful experiences I've had. Finally done. Going back home. It was an amazing trek. Super tired. You know, everything teaches you something. This one has taught me something very special. That is, do it when it's hardest to do. So yes, keep up you guys.